Hello guys, I'm Amreen. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to Amreen's DIY videos. And today's video is about 4 cups. And I'm going to start now. We need a A4 sheet and fold like this. And you'll get some like this parts left. You need to put a scale and then tab it. I've already done that. Now the paper will look like a square like this. First you need to fold it. And when you fold it both ways like this, first you need to take one like this and keep it like this. So if you've done it like this, means it came right. And then you need to fold it like this. Not fold it, just turn it. Then it will look like the squares, same thing but a little smaller. But then now we need to do the same thing again. We need to repeat it like this. Doesn't need to look that perfect, but it will look fine in the end when you put some colors in it. Yeah. If you done it like this, it's right. And now you need to do it like this, and then you see like it will have 4. You need to first put a little like this, and the other one like this. This. Take all of them out, and then just 1 minute. You need to do it like this and make something like some holes down there. Like this. Yes. We need to make it like this. And this a little like this. And then it will look like this in the end. And now we're going to color it and make it proper. Take your markers and open it. Of course, we can't use markers without opening it. Are we going to draw the cover? You can write whatever colors you want. I'm choosing blue, red, purple. What's purple? Okay, purple and pink. And now when you're done with all the colors, keep it aside. And then in the end, it will look like this. And then you have these places. You need to take a marker. Black is best for this. Because we need to write numbers 1 till 8. And everyone knows numbers. They are very easy. Like the most easiest thing in the world. Okay. This one looks like 7. Okay. Now when you did it like this, you guys can write anything which you want here, and then you can play it with your friends. But then I'm going to show you guys this. See, in the end it will look like this, and then this is how you use it. And as I said, please subscribe and smash that subscribe button and a like, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you guys. Bye.